The Vento Rake is a battery-powered backpack leaf rake and vacuum that combines both functions for efficient yard work. It features a rake attachment that gathers leaves into the vacuum intake, where they are sucked up and deposited into a disposable bag. Lightweight and easy to use, it reduces strain on your back while you work. The rechargeable battery ensures you won't have to deal with cords, adding to its convenience. Plus, it uses biodegradable bags for eco-friendly disposal of leaves. Overall, Vento Rake is a versatile tool that makes leaf cleanup faster and simpler. The Ridgid SR24 is a precision utility locating instrument that accurately identifies underground utilities such as water, gas, and electric lines. It integrates Bluetooth and GPS technology for easy connection with external data capture devices. The intuitive mapping display shows the utility's estimated position, direction, and depth, while audio cues guide the operator. Omnidirectional antennas enhance speed and accuracy by capturing complete signals. The built-in GPS tracks location coordinates for mapping and GIS applications. Compatible with Ridgid 18V lithium-ion batteries, it ensures long-lasting power for extended use. The Hilti Neuron PM50MG22 multi-line laser is a versatile tool designed for precise alignment in construction projects. It projects 4 vertical and 2 horizontal lines for multiple reference points and is self-leveling within plus or minus 5 degrees for quick setup. The laser has a manual mode for precise work outside the self-leveling range and a pulse mode to extend its range with a detector in bright conditions. Built for durability with an IP54 rating, it's perfect for tough job sites. Powered by AA batteries or a rechargeable lithium-ion pack, it's tripod-mountable and ideal for alignment, leveling, and layout tasks. The Barwalt ultralight knee pads are designed for comfort and protection during activities that involve kneeling on hard surfaces. They are lightweight, allowing extended wear without discomfort. The knee pads feature protective padding to absorb impact and reduce strain, while their breathable material ensures airflow to prevent overheating. Adjustable straps provide a secure, customized fit. These knee pads are ideal for construction, gardening, landscaping, and floor maintenance, offering essential protection and comfort. Their durability and ease of use make them a popular choice for professionals. The Nemo Hull Cleaner is a portable, high-pressure cleaning device designed to remove marine growth such as algae, barnacles, and mussels from the underwater surfaces of boats and other marine structures. It combines powerful water jets and brushes to efficiently clean hulls, reducing time and effort while helping lower maintenance costs and improving fuel efficiency. The environmentally friendly design avoids the use of chemicals, making it a safe option for marine ecosystems. Overall, the Nemo Hull Cleaner is an effective, cost-saving tool for maintaining clean and efficient marine vessels. The Rivestop system is an advanced solution for sealing and waterproofing concrete tie bolt holes. It uses an expanding resin to fill the entire hole, ensuring a complete and effective seal. This prevents water infiltration and protects the concrete from damage. The system is durable, designed to withstand harsh conditions, and is easy to apply, reducing installation time. It's versatile for use in structures like bridges, tunnels, and parking garages. Rivestop offers a long-lasting, reliable solution for concrete protection. The Makita XGC01Z is a cordless caulk and adhesive gun from the 18V LXT lithium-ion series, designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It offers 1,100 pounds of dispensing force to handle thick adhesives and sealants, while the 5-speed dial and variable speed trigger provide optimal control. Its 360 degrees rotatable cartridge holder fits both 10 ounces and 300 milliliters cartridges, and the drip reduction feature prevents excess dispensing. Weighing 3.5 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle. Overall, the Makita XGC01Z is a powerful, versatile tool, perfect for a range of sealing and adhesive tasks. The WorkSharp Ken Onion Sharpener is a versatile tool designed with input from renowned knife maker Ken Onion. It features adjustable angle guides for precise sharpening, multiple grit belts for different needs, and durable construction. Its user-friendly design makes it easy to use, even for beginners. The sharpener is versatile, capable of sharpening various blade types, including kitchen, hunting, and pocket knives, as well as scissors. Overall, It's a reliable and popular choice for both home users and professionals looking for a high-quality sharpening solution. Bossy shovels are designed for comfort and durability, featuring a rotating center handle that reduces strain on the back and wrists. Made with robust fiberglass shafts and steel or polypropylene heads, they ensure long-lasting performance. The shovels come in various types, including round point, flat, and snow scoop, making them versatile for different tasks. Their ergonomic design allows for optimal leverage, enhancing usability. Additionally, Boss shovels are easy to handle and operate, making them suitable for both casual users and professionals. Overall, they combine comfort and functionality for effective digging and lifting. The Tough-Built Scraper Utility Knife combines the functionality of a utility knife with a built-in scraper blade. It features a 2-in-1 design that allows for easy switching between modes with a simple thumb press. The knife includes 5 custom universal Tough-Built blades that can be changed easily and are compatible with most other utility knives. Made from durable materials, it offers a rubber comfort grip for enhanced control and reduced hand fatigue, ideal for removing paint, putty, and adhesive, as well as cutting through cardboard and fabric. This versatile tool is a valuable addition to any professional's toolbox. The Leister Pen Weld is a versatile hot air gun, perfect for welding, shrinking, and heating tasks. It features precise temperature control and adjustable airflow, allowing users to tailor heat output for different materials. Designed with ergonomics in mind, it offers a comfortable grip and lightweight construction for extended use. Built with high-quality materials, the Pen Weld ensures durability and long-lasting performance. It's ideal for welding thermoplastic materials like PVC, polypropylene, and polyethylene, as well as for shrinking heat shrink tubing and heating metal surfaces. This tool is a reliable choice for professionals seeking efficiency and precision in their work. The Nax Hand Log Splitter is a manual tool designed for splitting firewood, consisting of a heavy base, a splitting wedge, and a handle. To use it, place the log on the base, position the wedge against the grain, and strike the handle with a mallet. Its portability and durable construction make it easy to use in various locations. The splitter is cost-effective and environmentally friendly, producing no emissions or noise pollution. Additionally, it safely handles a variety of wood sizes with a simple design. Overall, the Nax Hand Log Splitter is an efficient choice for those preferring a manual approach to firewood preparation. The iToolCo Canon 1K is a powerful handheld wire puller designed for efficient cable installation, pulling cables at speeds up to 130 feet per minute. It features an adjustable pulling arm for reaching different conduit openings and a user-friendly design with a built-in handle for easy control. The quick-release connector arm reduces setup time, while the adjustable conduit clamp secures attachments for added stability. Built with durable materials, it comes with a 6-year warranty, ensuring reliability for professionals. This versatile tool is ideal for installing various cable types, enhancing productivity and efficiency in electrical work. The Simpson Strong-Tie Timber Drive is a specialized construction fastener designed for wood structures, offering a concealed fastening solution that ensures a clean and finished appearance without visible nails or screws. Made from high-quality materials, it provides strong durability and structural integrity. Installation is straightforward, as it can be driven into wood using a pneumatic or electric nailer, making it suitable for various wood construction applications. This fastener is ideal for those looking to achieve a polished look while maintaining the strength of their wood assemblies. The Laser Tools Inline Air Hammer Extractor is a pneumatic tool specifically designed to efficiently remove stuck or seized diesel injectors. Its inline design enables direct mounting onto the injector for effective impact force transmission. Compatible with laser 5/8 inches diesel injector adapters, it features M18X 1.5 mm and 5/8 inches UNF connection threads for versatility. The pneumatic hammer pull function enhances extraction by applying impact force to pull rather than push, making it suitable for confined spaces. This tool significantly reduces the time and effort required for injector removal. It also minimizes the risk of damaging the injector or surrounding components, making it essential for automotive professionals. The FLIR Sci2 series is an advanced acoustic imaging camera designed to detect industrial issues such as compressed air leaks and bearing faults. It utilizes ultrasonic technology to visualize sound waves, enabling precise localization of problems. Key features include effective leak detection, bearing fault analysis, and fleet management capabilities. The series offers customizable models tailored for specific applications, enhancing maintenance strategies. With on-camera decision support, it aids professionals in making informed maintenance decisions. Overall, the Flyer Psi 2 is essential for preventing costly equipment failures and ensuring operational efficiency. The Skill Twist 2.0 rechargeable screwdriver is a versatile tool suitable for various tasks, from assembling furniture to tightening screws in hard-to-reach places. It features a pivoting head that locks in 3 positions for easy access in tight spaces and has 3 torque settings to adjust the amount of force applied. The screwdriver is powered by a rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for disposable batteries, and includes an LED light to illuminate dark work areas. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry and store, making it a valuable addition to any toolbox. The Boxel eBat is a battery-powered high-frequency electronic converter designed for concrete vibrators, providing a cordless and engine-free solution for increased mobility. It ensures efficient compaction of concrete through high-frequency vibration, resulting in a stronger and more durable finish. With a battery life of up to 120 minutes, it allows for extended use without frequent recharging. The tool is compact, lightweight, and built to withstand harsh working conditions. Environmentally friendly, it generates no emissions and requires minimal maintenance. The Boxel eBat is ideal for various applications in construction and industrial settings. The Koken Wheel Nut Socket Set is a specialized toolkit designed for wheel nuts on various vehicles. It includes multiple socket sizes to accommodate different wheel nut dimensions commonly found in cars and trucks. Made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, the sockets ensure durability and resistance to wear. Each socket is designed for a precise fit, providing a secure grip to prevent slippage. The set features ergonomic handles for comfortable use, even in heavy-duty applications. Some kits may also include additional tools like a breaker bar or ratchet wrench for added convenience. The Tactical Trio Tree Hook is designed for safe and efficient tree climbing, featuring a 3-point contact system for enhanced stability. Its tactical design ensures durability, making it suitable for both professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. Crafted from high-quality materials, it guarantees long-lasting performance and reliability. This versatile tool accommodates various climbing techniques and scenarios. Overall, the Tactical Trio Tree Hook significantly improves safety and efficiency in tree climbing activities. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.